Hi everybody, welcome to Steve's Small Engine Saloon. I'm here with Steve, who's the master of all small engines. We're going to be posting a video where he teaches me about lubrication of chainsaws. What's the matter with you? What's the matter with them?
Do you drink beer?
I've been known to have a beer periodically. I'm more of a cider girl myself, but I can...
Cider?
Yeah.
Well, aren't you lucky? I just happen to have some Lucky Lager in stock for you today.
Like I said, I prefer a lager to anything else.
That's what she said. That's what I heard.
That's the most important thing, is a lager.
Right on. So there you go. There's a link under there. I'll call it Sarah Singing Something Simple like that.
Oh, that's a lot of S's. Well done. Sarah singing something simple. Strongbow.
Say that 4 times in a row really fast.
No. This is good, by the way. My husband's been trying to get me to learn how to use a chainsaw for a long time.
You know what? He told me that.
Did he? Is that what I'm doing here? He set me up.
Well, just in case you don't know who Josh is Sarah's bodyguard. Exactly. You see what you're doing there? It's all tight and everything.
Yeah.
It's from lack of lubrication.
Okay.
So you're absolutely right.
By the way, there's like 9 jokes I just didn't make. You're welcome. Okay. You get burned without adequate lubrication.
And that wears your bar out.
You can write your own jokes for that one, kids.
Exactly.
Sorry.
That's okay.
You get distracted.
Nope. Some holes are
For sure.
on different bars, are different sizes.
Again, write your own jokes. Keep it clean, kids. It's a family show. Steve's Small Engine Repair has now been banned in 15 countries. But not Canada. We don't do that here. We don't do that here, folks.
I'm not even sure if my family knows this, but this is 100% true.
Your mom is watching this right now, and she's about to murder your father.
My grandpa Bruce was out there, and he was older at that time, and I'm cutting a piece of wood, and the chain's still running, and I turned around to say something to him, and I went like this, and it hit his pants, and it ripped a big strip right out of his pants.
Oh my God.
Till the next video. Steve?
And Sarah?
Out. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, click on that little button right there. If you'd like to see the full version of this video, it's a lot more detailed, a lot more in-depth, click right there.